What's up, beatboxers? Okay, let's just get straight into the point, okay? Today I wanna teach you how to do the 5 easiest beatbox sound ever that gonna take you like 1 day to learn. And this goes something like and again, that routine contains all the 5 sounds in the list if you didn't realize. So let's get to the first sound, which is the inward kick. Like the name said, it's just a drum kick with inward. So like normally you do a drum kick like this, but this time do it on the side of your mouth, like on the side of your mouth right here. But like instead of doing it outward, doing it inward, like basically it's similar to a kiss, like doing a kiss on the side of your mouth. And as fall into it, you're gonna get like the inward kick. I said this is really easy. Or if you have tried to learn the lip roll, but you fail, that is gonna be the inward kick. Okay, but the inward kick alone is not really good. So I normally use it in like a kick roll, which is like 3 kick continuously really fast, like. And you just do it by just doing a normal kick drum, the B here, then an inward kick, then another kick drum. Yeah, I'm starting to sound like a horse. Okay, but only the inward kick is easy. The kick roll is actually pretty hard, so like let's just put it aside and learn it later. Because for now I'm gonna learn the second sound, which is the lip oscillations. Oh, and like surprisingly, this is like one of the most popular bass in beatbox, like even though it's super easy, because like, all you have to do is to vibrating your lip or doing what I call the lip bass. Just okay, we all know how to do that, right? Now just do it while tighten your lip, like tighten your lip like this and do the lip bass. Just yeah, and of course add some voice, so it's gonna sound like why does it sound like my phone is vibrating? So yeah, it's just that simple. It's literally just oscillating your lip. And like if you want it to sound a little bit better, you can do it on the side of your mouth. So like this, instead of this in the middle, right? I would do it on the side of your mouth, like but similar to the third bass, is really easy to learn, but actually take time to master. So like it may sound a little bit bad at first, so just try to practice every day and it's gonna sound really good. Something like this. Talking about the third bass, there's actually another variations of the third bass that sound like really powerful and like really badass, but really easy, which is the vibration bass. Oh wow, that's so cool. Okay, so first you have to learn the third bass, which I did teach you in the previous video, but I can teach you again because it's really easy. So just clear your throat. Now just extend it. And that is the third bass. Okay, so for the vibration bass, take the third bass and try to do it lower by just like normally when you sing with the third bass, you're gonna sing about like So instead of singing like that, sing lower, like like really low, really low. So just yeah. A trick if you still don't really get it is to relaxing your throat, because like normally when you do the third bass, you're gonna like tighten your throat, right? Like, you kind of tighten your throat about right here. But like, when you're doing the vibration, you have to relax it. Like, don't just. You won't even feel much pressure in your throat when you do the vibration bass, like you do with the throat bass. So yeah. Okay, but for the unexpected false sound, we got the click, which is. Okay, so this is not even an easy sound. This is literally sound that you have already know how to do. But it is again one of the most popular sound beatbox because like it's really versatile. Normally people would use is like a hi-hat. So like you a hi-hat like this, right? So just replace the hi-hat with the click, so you got something like. But the click can be done so much faster, so it's got to sound like. That's why people like it so much more, because it can even combine with other combo like. Yeah. Okay, because I just taught you how to do the click. What about I teach you how to do the second part of the click? Sound confusing, right? Let's learn how to do the clop at the final and the fifth sound. Or like people even call it the water drinking sound. Okay, when you say doing a click, I normally think of that sound, okay? But for a lot of people gonna think of this sound. And that sound, the actually contains two parts. The first part is the right, but the second part is the part where you slap your tongue into the bottom of your mouth, which is the clop. And how to do the clop? Just like I described, slap your tongue into the bottom of your mouth, like just. Yeah, it's like super easy. But when you first try it, you won't even make a sound. Why? Because your tongue is super weak right now. Okay, to do the clop, you have to has like a super strong tongue, so like it slap hard into your mouth, so it make a sound. And to make it strong, just try to do the clop every day. Yeah, so tongue is a muscle, so you just have to train the tongue like you train every other muscle. Do the clop every day until it make a sound. So come back after your tongue is strong enough to smack and make the clop sound. Then you can do it in a sequence like this to make the drinking water sound. Just go from the O-shaped mouth to smile. So it's gonna sound like this. So just. Yeah, drinking water is just the clop. And boom, again, you just learned another 5 easiest beatbox sound ever, which like I always said, they are easy but they are super good and you should actually use them when beatboxing. Don't believe me? Let me demonstrate by making one routine for each of the sound. Starting with the first one, which is the inward kick. The second, lip oscillation. Third sound, the vibration bass. Now the fourth sound, the click. I just. Yeah, actually use 3 sounds in that routine. So let's just get to the fifth sound, which is the clop. Yeah, I think they are really good. Okay, but after making this video, I just realized that there are actually many easy beatbox sound, but like sound really cool, like many more than I thought. So for example, this sound is super easy, but yeah, it sounds really cool, right? Probably one of the coolest sound I have ever learned. So I feel like I can make more video about easiest beatbox sound ever. So if you guys want more, just comment below if I should do part 3, because like if you don't, so I won't know to should I do it or not. So yeah, just comment down below and we will meet again in the part 3 or maybe another type video, I don't know. Goodbye.